Hey guys, how's it doing? How's it going? I mean, welcome to Canadian Rust. Big news, my clutch came in for the BMW. So, what I do is get the BMW ready to drive in the winter. And right now, I have a summer tire on the front right that goes backwards, so that won't be good for winter. So this video is about removing a stripped lug stud of a BMW rim. This thing's been fighting me. When I picked up the parts off the parts car, I couldn't get it off, and I wasn't leaving that tire for him, so I wanted all 5. So what I had to do was, let me show you. We gotta crawl into the car. Alright, so to get to where I was at in my video, to get the stuck stud off, I had to remove these. Well, actually I removed it off of there. I moved it from there. You got that you gotta undo. You gotta take the strut out, and then you got the brake caliper hose to take off. And then this whole assembly comes off. And then you can reach the 4 bolts in the back. Well, I guess you could just 4 bolts in the back for the wheel bearing. And then this whole knuckle assembly comes off, and then you can, and then you're at where I'm at in my video. So I just thought I'd explain that, because I didn't really explain it in the video at all. I just went at it. But hope you guys enjoy. Like and subscribe. Back in the summer, I bought a bunch of parts for the car, like rims, 5 rims, M-Tech suspension, all this. But one of the rims had such a stripped lug nut on it, I couldn't get it off. Like this, you can always try pounding a smaller one on. I'll show you guys here. Look at this thing. Can you see it? Can you see it? Is it too bright? Anyway, that's what they're supposed to look like. I must have pounded on. Let me try to block off some of this light. It's so bright today. So what we're going to try to do is get that out. What you can do is pound a smaller socket onto it a bunch, and I've tried that, but I kept slipping off. Let's see, is this any better? No? How about this? Man, it is so bright out here. I can't see nothing. Anyways, so we want to get that strip guy out. He's super stripped. I tried pounding smaller sockets, it won't work. What you can do is weld another nut onto it, but then you might get spatter on your rim, and you know, not everyone has a welder. So what we're gonna do is drill out the back side. There's, oh, this is stuck. Anyways, I started drilling it out already. We're gonna drill the rest of it out, so then I can have a winter tire, because right now my front right is not that nice. Let me show you. As you can see, I have a really nice summer street tire running the wrong way, which is, it's good. You don't want to do that, but it's alright if you have to. No, don't ever do that unless you have to. Alright, so I'm going to grab some drill bits, a drill, and see what kind of mess we can make. Probably break a bunch of drill bits, but whatever. Let's do it, Alright, we're here with our Craftsman Type 1 drill, some drill bits. Plug her in and kill this thing. It's already got a broken bit in it. Let me just show you this drill. She's an oldie. Have to plug it in at the wall. There it is. This Alright. Start doing it. Alright. Okay. Oh, wrong way. Is that the right size? Yeah, we'll go with that one first. You always want to put a little oil or something down in your hole too. Help lubricate the drill bit. Oh. And then we'll have the fun challenge of getting the rest of the studs off, because that'll be impossible. Bigger drill bits, you don't want to go super fast. Some kind of power bolt's nice too. Yep. Is it working? Does this drill bit suck? Try a bit of both. Try the other drill bit. Be almost there? That'd be almost there. That'd be almost there. Try getting a punch and punching it out, I guess. See how that goes. As you can see, we're almost at the bottom, so if it doesn't punch out, just gotta drill it a bit more. Well, sir, I do believe we did it. Hooray! That's my punch. Oh, boys. Look at this thing. Oh. That's just nasty. Alright, let's get the rest of these lug nuts out and have myself a winter tire. Woo! And kind of beat up rim. I know, oven clean will take that right off there. Alright, I got the air compressor set up. I got a nice 20 volt impact for my Christmas, I mean. But it didn't come with a battery, which is weird. So let's see if this Mastercraft can do her. Oh, not like that, it won't. I don't think it's gonna do it. Oh wow, sorry about the noise. This thing's not that great. Well, the old-fashioned way it is. Alright, I'm gonna try the old jack handle and ratchets. Now that's not on there. This is not gonna be good. Okay. Oh. Let's get this one out. This is coming out. And here's what they're supposed to look like. Big difference. Alright, let me fight with the rest of these. Well, you can see things have can turn for the worst. That Mastercraft just ain't gonna cut it. They're good. They just have their spot. So now, I'm gonna use the old bar and lever, but the tire won't stop moving. So now, I'm gonna jack up the truck, place the truck on the tire, and hopefully we can do it. If not, I'm just gonna wait till I get my impact, 20-volt impact going, because I don't want to strip another one of these. Let's do it. Got the safest jack known to man. Alrighty. Need a little more. Ooh, the truck's making some crunchy noises. Alright. Let's see what kind of damage we can ensue. Oh! A little bit more weight of the truck, I think. Yeah. That's one. Sometimes you gotta get that jump in there. Yeah, that's two. I think, I'm not counting my goats yet, but I think. Done. Well, sir. Uh-oh. Yeah. Friggin' great. Trusty Fargo. Spare lug stud things. Come on now. One wheel, finally free. I had all summer to do that, but I was just too lazy. And now, I have a spare caliper. Brake pads look pretty good on it too. Alright. Well, thanks for coming along. I still have a bolt to extract underneath on the transmission mount. But yeah, that's how you get a stud off a tire that's off the car using a truck and a jack and everything. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.